Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to check longitude and latitude on Google Maps. Whether you're planning a trip, sharing a precise location with someone, or working on a project that requires exact coordinates, knowing how to find these details on Google Maps is incredibly useful. Let's walk through the different methods you can use to access this information quickly and easily. First, open your web browser and navigate to google.com/maps. This will take you straight to the Google Maps homepage where you can start exploring locations and finding coordinates. Once the page loads, you'll see the familiar map interface ready for you to interact with. Now, let's say you already have a red pin placed on your map marking a specific location. To find the longitude and latitude of that pin, simply right-click on it. When you do this, a small menu will appear, and right at the top, you'll see the coordinates displayed. This is one of the quickest ways to grab the exact location data for any pin you've already placed on your map. But what if you want to find the coordinates of a completely new area? Google Maps makes this simple too. Left-click on any area of the map that interests you. After clicking, look down at the bottom of your screen. You'll notice the longitude and latitude coordinates displayed there. This gives you instant access to the location data without needing to place a permanent pin or marker. Alternatively, there's another method that works just as well. You can right-click on any area of the map directly. When you do this, the same menu appears as before, showing you the longitude and latitude coordinates right at the top of that menu. This method is particularly handy because it gives you more options in the same action. Here's a useful tip. Once you see those coordinates appear after right-clicking, you can actually click on them to copy the information directly to your clipboard. This makes it incredibly easy to paste those coordinates into an email, a document, or another application without having to manually type them out. It's a small detail, but it saves time and ensures accuracy. And there you have it. You now know multiple ways to check longitude and latitude on Google Maps, whether you're working with existing pins or exploring new locations. These coordinates can be incredibly helpful for navigation, sharing exact locations, or working on any project that requires precise geographic data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.